people of God, the Son of God is coming. He is coming. He is coming. Let every believer prepare and live a life of righteousness and ask for forgiveness of sin. You do not want to be left behind in this world. This world will be a very, very difficult place to live in. Remember that God always provided an escape plan for those whom He loves, for those who believe in Him. Remember, in the times of Noah, He provided an escape through the ark. Remember, in the time when He saw that evil was too much in Sodom and Gomorrah, He provided an escape for Lot and his family. He told them to go up unto the mountain through the angels. He told him before He rains on those cities, fire and brimstone. Remember when the children of God were in Egypt under slavery, when they cried out for the Lord, He provided an escape for them. Supernaturally, He provided that escape. So, people of God, we know that the Antichrist cannot reign unto the earth until the restrainer is removed. The restrainer is the Spirit of God, He who is upon the earth, He who lives in the children of God, He who comforts, who loves the children of God. So we know that if He is on the earth, He will keep on bringing out good unto the children of God. If you have noticed that every time evil tries to rise, the God of heaven, through His Spirit, always raises the standard so that evil does not overtake the world, because they are the children of the Lord. So when the Antichrist comes, in essence, the rapture would have happened, because the restrainer will have to be removed.